Nature therapy at Always in Season Farmstead Retreat, where you'll be exploring the healing powers of nature. Nature therapy is a wonderful modality. It helps heal from trauma, burnout, or the blues. Time in nature is known to help us to gain clarity, courage, and inspiration to improve our lives. At Always in Season Farmstead Retreat, we will take you on a journey to explore the stunning scenery, beaches, and forests of the Big Island of Hawaii. You'll be inspired and encouraged to adventure into the depths of your soul and discover the healing powers of nature. Our nature therapy sessions can take place in the ocean, the forest, or with your camera as we explore the depths of the sea and look at light and life through a different lens. With our guidance, you'll learn techniques that will help you relax and de-stress, and tools to incorporate into your life no matter where you live. So come breathe in the fresh air, experience the enchanting healing powers of Mother Nature. We look forward to sharing the magic of these special places as you get grounded and find inner peace. Join us at Always in Season Farmstead Retreat and explore the healing powers of Mother Earth. Gain clarity, courage, and inspiration to improve your life and discover the beauty of the natural world. Hello,